Cold and Cough Kickoff 2025. Stay one step ahead. Did you know the average adult catches 2 to 3 colds a year, and kids can get up to 10 colds? Don't let sniffles slow you down this season. Here are 5 quick tips to stay ahead of cold and cough. Wash your hands. Boost immunity with vitamin C and zinc. Stay hydrated. Get enough sleep. Stock up on cold remedies. At Branch Brook Pharmacy, we've got everything you need to relieve cold and cough symptoms quickly. Strengthen your immunity naturally. Get expert, personalized wellness guidance. Unlock exclusive wellness resources, seasonal checklists, and offers. Sign up now at branchbrookpharmacy.com.